In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links from texts on card.co. Whether you're building a personal website or a portfolio, knowing how to add hyperlinks to your text can really enhance its interactivity and user experience. Let's walk through this process step by step to get you set up with clickable links on your card.co site. First, you need to head over to your card.co dashboard. If you've already created a site or are working on a project, go ahead and navigate to the specific page where you want to add the hyperlink. Once you're on your site's dashboard, look for the text element you want to modify. Click on this text element to open its properties and content fields. With the text box open, we need to format our text to include a hyperlink using Markdown, a lightweight markup language. Markdown allows you to format text using plain text syntax, which can then be converted to HTML. In this case, to create a link, you'll use the format, bracket your link text in square brackets, followed immediately by the URL in parentheses. Here's a quick example. If you want the text "Visit Google" to link to Google's homepage, you'll write "Visit Google" http www.google.com. Now, it's time to edit the actual content of your text element to include this link. Carefully place the desired text and URL in the correct text here, URL here, format. This is crucial as it will transform the plain text into a clickable hyperlink once the process is complete. This might seem a bit technical if you're unfamiliar with Markdown, but with practice it'll become second nature. If it helps, take a quick glance at a Markdown guide, which you might have handy, to remind yourself of the proper syntax. Remember, according to our earlier example, your text "Visit Google" would get linked via the syntax "Visit Google" http www.google.com. After you've finished inserting the link in the text element, re-examine it to ensure it looks just right and doesn't contain any errors in formatting. It's important that both the text within the brackets and the URL in the parentheses are accurate. Any mistakes here would result in broken links. Once everything checks out, go ahead and click on Done to save your changes. Always give your page a final look to verify the hyperlink is functioning as intended. Try clicking it to see if it takes you to the correct web address. This quick test will ensure your audience has a seamless experience when navigating your site. And there you have it. You've successfully created a clickable link within your text on card.co. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more helpful tips and tutorials.